What's up, groovy foodies? Today is one of my favorite days, and that is Sunday Yumday. We're going to be making comfort foods to help get you in the groove for the work week. I know, work week, so sad, Sunday blues, but guess what? No Sunday blues, because food is gonna have us feeling good. Not only are you guys gonna be hungry and happy, you get to be cooking with this hippie today. I'm Honeymoon, and this is Hungry, Happy, Hippie. One of the many dishes my mom made on Sunday Yumday was her breaded pork chops and applesauce. It was always a home run. It really hit all those spots that you want for comfort food. It's crunchy, it's sweet, it's savory, it's everything you want it to be. And guess what? We're making it today my way. So we're making crispy breaded pork chop with a warm apple and leek salad. It's so tasty. And to pair the sweet and the crunchy that will be the slaw and the pork chops, we are going to have whipped sweet potatoes already made from us from my friends at Giant. All you gotta do is pop it in your microwave for about 3 minutes, add a tablespoon of butter and a pinch of honey, and boom, we're good. Let's get started, groovy foodies. I am super stoked for you guys to try this with me. Yo! Leeks, right here I have 4 leek stalks. We are just going to cut them down the middle. They're already trimmed and cleaned. Got these from Trader Joe's, my friends. Let's take this Big Mac Daddy and cut him in half. Right down the middle. We're gonna layer these up like this, right on top of each other. And just gonna chop right down. The one thing I love about leeks is that they're almost like a scallion and a cabbage had a baby. The flavor and the mildness of that onion is so good. You can also use leeks in Asian cooking, like if you're making dumplings. You can also use it in Polish cooking if you're making chalupkis. I love putting this in my chalupkis. We're moving on to our celery. We're gonna take the celery. Look at that. We're just gonna slide it down the middle for each of them. Okay, and if you have a thick one, slice it together. You want this to be relatively thin. Oh, I love this dish, y'all. It makes me so excited to be making this. This just brings back so many childhood memories. Like, I remember like us playing tricks on my mom. My oldest brother was like such a trickster. I remember one time I went to my grandma's house. She made her twice baked potatoes and these pork cutlets with applesauce. And we were signing a card. I knew it was like someone's birthday or something. And it was my mom's turn to sign the card. My oldest brother comes over, gives her the pen, she's signing the card. And as soon as she goes to click it to close it, it just inks all over her white blouse. She's going off on my brother like, what in the world? Why you give me this messed up pen right out? Swear. She's going off on him. I'm laughing. We're all laughing because we're all in on it. She's like, why are y'all laughing? You know how much this blouse cost? And she's like, why are you guys laughing? Why are you guys laughing? And we're laughing so hard we can't tell her that the ink's starting to disappear. Like, I'm talking ugly, snorting, like crying laughs like over my mom. She's freaking out, like hitting us with pillows, like, you guys messed up my nice shirt. And we're like, mom, like, just look. And she goes, I saw it, it's messed up. I'm gonna take it to the dry cleaner tomorrow. And we're like, mom, just look. And she looks down and the ink's gone. She goes, what the world, what y'all do? And they were like, it was fake ink, mom. She goes, oh, like she was so annoyed. But that's how our family bonded. We bonded over jokes, sarcasm, and good food. So I hope you guys get to make some yummy food and enjoy some good jokes over beer with your friends. Like, eat and have fun. It's Sunday Yumday and Sunday Fun Day. Eating food is just fun for me. So anyway, we got our celery nice and sliced up. Now that it's nice and thin, we're gonna cut this into 3. So there's 1, there's a 3. Boom. Let's get our apple going. Some people like to peel it. I like to keep the skin just because I feel like it's a nice, pop of color. So we're gonna start by cutting this way, cutting it in half, and And then going over here. These are also going to be thin slices. By thin, I mean something like this. You see that? This thin. So, in terms of the apples to use for this, I'm using organic gala apples. You can also use Fuji, you can use Granny Smith apples, Honeycrisp, anything that has a crunchiness and a tartness. If you're not sure how to pick out an apple, go to your local farmer's market. They'll love to help you pick out a good apple. But today, I'm using gala apples. I love making this dish for company. I have a few friends coming over for our Sunday fun day. We are going to a 90s boat party. I'm gonna take this little lemon wedge and go like this. So next is going to be our pork chops. And we are going to take a little bit of lemon actually. Let me pop this seed out. And just squirt it into our bag of pork chops. This is gonna help with the tenderization process. Ooh, that like bursted in my hand. All right, so this is half of a lemon. I'm squeezing it into here. Just like that. And I have this in a bag because it's just gonna get messy, bro. We're going to like this and spread them out. Make sure they're nice, all getting that lemon juice on there. So we got our pork chops nice and laid out. And if you don't have one of these, get a mason jar, wrap it with a tablecloth, wrap it with some saran wrap, and use that as a backup. Or an old wine bottle. You can use that too to tenderize your meat. So we are going to take this side, the flat side, and just pound it out. Get out all that aggression and anger. Get out your aggression. So in this bowl, we have 1/3 cup of flour. We have a tablespoon of onion powder, a tablespoon of garlic powder, and a 1/2 tablespoon of ground black pepper. And and sea salt. That's in here, good and mixed up. We are going to throw it in here. Let it get nice and coated. And guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna shake, 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 senora. Shake your body back. We're gonna shake this bad boy up. This is where the groovy comes in. Really get the brush it out. Okay, so that's good. Let's move on over to the dipping station and get our oil nice and hot. Yay! Someone's ready to eat it. Ooh. She's golden brown. Oh, hey, babe. So this is like this for, I'm gonna say, about 2 minutes. So it doesn't take long for this little bitty to crisp up. So yeah, you want them to be golden brown. So she almost there. This is the first flip. I do it on the other side for about 2 minutes, do it on this side for 2 minutes, flip it, and then do it one more time to really get that crisp in there. Yeah, let's move her aside. Yo, why does this look like a kangaroo? Do you guys see it? Look, it's a kangaroo. This is like the top, well, fat kangaroo. This is like the foot, and then this is like the little head, and then this is the little arm. Oh my god, this looks like a kangaroo. Okay, let's put this guy in. There we go. That one's in while this one's finishing up. Tasty, tasty. Alright, gang, it's time to flip Big Papa over. Ah, he looks good. Alright, how's Baby Boo over here doing? Baby Boo's doing good. This one just got a nice little flip over. You see this? This happens. This fries out. Don't worry. This is a soft pocket. Meat cannot be eaten. It's a muscle. Alright, she's ready. Time to move her over to the resting station. right, friends, we're just gonna add a pinch of salt to this. Well, you know what? Let's make it a pinch and a half. And crack of pepper. Yeah. Oh, they're so crunchy.
Let me see that meat.
Oh, y'all, this could be so good.
All right. It's basically just fried chicken. Ooh, yum.
Is it a boomerang?
No, but
damn.
Okay, I'll do it.
I thought you always do boomerang. I thought it was.
Ready? Go. Yes. That was cute.
Yum. Let's eat this shit.